Hello everyone, welcome back to Fame Ebong TV. So today I want to teach you guys how I produce these 20 liters of bleach. Here in Nigeria it's popularly known as hypo. So I want to teach you how I produce 20 liters of this bleach at home. It's very easy. Just watch this video. You will learn how to produce yours at home. It's a very lucrative business. Over here are my chemicals. This is my chlorine. I'm making use of 300 grams of chlorine. This measurement is actually for 20 liters production. Every measurement I'll be using in this video is for 20 liters production. Then here is my soda ash. I'm making use of 300 grams also. So if you observe, my soda ash and my chlorine are of the same measurement. So the next I'll be showing you is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 3 tablespoons of caustic soda for this production. 20 liters of bleach that we are making. Then lastly is our SLS. I'm making use of 4 tablespoons of SLS, also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. That's the second name for it. It's a foaming agent. So the rest are cleaning agents, then SLS is a foaming agent. Then this is 20 liters of water in one bucket. Then the other bucket is empty. The other bucket is for the filtering of our production. So after the production, we'll filter it into this empty bucket. So you can check the video description for the link to join my online class on WhatsApp. Just check video description to join the class. There you learn a lot of things. You learn how to make soap, the bar soap, the laundry bar soap, the multi-purpose soap, the liquid soap. It's a lot you learn there. Just check video description. Next I'll be dissolving my chemicals. So just watch how I'll be dissolving them. This water I'm using to dissolve this chemical, I'm scooping it from that. I'm taking the water from that 20 liters of water that I showed you. That's where I'm taking the water from to dissolve these chemicals. So you can see I mix my SLS and caustic soda together in one container. So just watch this video. If you are new to this channel, do well by subscribing so that you'll be updated by our new videos that will be coming in within the week. Don't forget to share this video to those that will want to learn how to produce bleach at home. Don't forget we are producing 20 liters of bleach. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming by to watch my video again. You are doing well. And also don't forget to join the online class that goes on WhatsApp. You either reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen, or you check the video description to join the class through the link at the video description.